Here's a pretty object. What is it? It flaps there, and it's got flaps there. It's made of leather, but it's, well, let me show it to you. Put it on the table. You open it up like this, and you turn it upside down, and out comes a coin. It's a purse. And I had one of these in my collection, in my pocket actually. It wasn't in my toy collection, but actually used for about 20 years and lost it. So I was very pleased to find it again. I think they were made in Morocco or somewhere. It's a curious design, a bit like origami, that. But to have it as a purse is such a sensible thing. You can't have too much coin because there's only that holding it. There's no clip there. It's just the sharp creases they've made in the leather there, which keeps it closed. But it's such a neat thing that I enjoyed using it for a long time and much missed it when I mislaid it. Well, they always say buses never come singly, they always come in pairs. So here's another one I found. I think this was from the Far East actually. I think this is probably China actually. It does the same thing. It's got flaps in here, it's got flaps. It's somewhat rougher material, but it will open up when you take the opposite sides and turn it upside down, and you find, ooh, a bigger coin. There's a smaller coin, there's tuppence. And something else there. Oh yes, that's right, it's Chinese. So, clever idea. I did find when I was using it every day, I couldn't have too many coins in it. It's because there's no clasp, there's nothing to hold on to it. It's just the creases themselves, which helps to keep it in trim like that and keeps it closed up. So there was a little drawback. I couldn't have too many coins in it, but it was such a fun to use. I did enjoy it. Well, these are other purses I've got in my collection, all of which have different mechanisms actually. And this one here is ridiculous. It's got a tiny little thing, which is a purse, and it's got three compartments. Well, no, they're not actually. There's actually one single compartment inside. I can put my fingers right the way through and coming out the other end. And it's got a coin in it. Oh, 50 pence, that's good. And when you want to put it back, you've got a choice of 3 slots to put it in. Give you choices. You probably only ever need to unzip one of them actually. So there we are, and it's zipped up again. Any ideas for having 3? If there were 3 compartments, you could have different coins in each, but it haven't. This is a very nice little thing, especially for children, because it's a little sock that perhaps a little child or a baby would wear. But as you can see from this, it's a purse. When I unclip it like that, it opens and clips closed. Let's see if there's any coins in it, shall we? Hold upside down and give it a shake. Oh, look at that. I've got more. No, there's only penny coins. So, but it's a little instructions here, something like that, whatever that's for. So it's a very sweet little purse which would appeal to children who, when they're infants, would wear little socks like that. That's quite nice if they've got a proper clasp, so you'll be able to hold quite a few coins in that one actually. This is one of the troublesome ones. It's got these sort of like running stitches there, pieces of leather like that, and they go through here and have to double up, and you have to pull bits of this apart in order to get at the coin inside. There is a coin inside, but it's hard to find. And I've got to do a bit of pulling and pushing. This is, I think we have to pull one side, no, so this side here. That's right. Those come undone. You pull them through so it disappears from there. And with any luck, you might be able to get inside it, or get inside here. Oh. This is a good purse because you never spend the money in it. You can't get to it. There we are. It's opening up now. So they come apart eventually with a bit of wiggly, and eventually, if you're lucky, oh yes, look, back to a penny only. Get it back in again, you've got to slip it in there and pull the edges, and they all come together, except they probably won't for me. Let's have a go. We'll get this to come apart a bit more, and pull, and make the hole a bit larger. You keep wanting to close up, and that's the annoying part of it, because you don't want to close it up until you've got the coins in. But it stops you from doing that, so I think I'm going to give this, oh no, this is where we go. These bits are doubled over, there we are. We finally get the coin back in there, and I don't want to take it out again, so I won't spend it. So it's a very economic purse to have. Woof! Very tiresome actually, when you can't get at your money quickly. And these two are much the same, and even a little more difficult. They've got running stitches in it. Each of them is a little 3-way piece. Only one of them actually does the running. The others are stitches going all the way up and down, quite normal and can't be pulled apart. But this one, possibly, you actually pull. Well, it might be the next one to it. No, it's probably the next one. You've got to find which one it is to start with. Yes, it's that one there. if I pull this and pull it and pull it, can you see the stitches starting to appear there? Running stitches, and when you pull the edges, they close up, but I'll do the first bit, which is opening them up. Pull, 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 pull. What a business to get at your money. It's probably not worth it after all. That won't be much work in there. Oh, I've got to put it a bit more. I was actually using tools to get into this, would you believe? I was using a pair of pliers, expanding it in order to get into my purse. And you get at the treasure laid in there. Oh, there we are. Now, where's the coin got to? Oh, he's gone. So it not only keeps your money, it captured my money. Oh, no, look, finally got there. Put it back in again, and to close it up is the only easy thing to do, is you just take the edges like that and pull like that, and the stitches all run together and make a perfect join down there. And this one, I'm afraid, does the same thing. I've got to find which one it is. Oh, there we are. It's a little bit easier, this one here. Imagine having to do all this when the cashier is trying to take your money off you for the things you bought in the shop, and you can't get to them because the purse is so difficult to open. Get my finger in there. No, that's not the way to do it. Pull, 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 pull. Who invented this darn thing? I mean, it's ridiculous. I think I'm going to use my pliers in a minute. I can't use this. One more go, and just about makes running stitches. They don't run. I think I'm going to leave it in there. I'll pull it to close again, but very, very tiresome purse. What a thing, what a thing. The last one is a lot of fun, very easy, because it's a zip purse, and it's like the first one, but it's something else. This is the first one of my purses which I bought many years ago from the Magic Company of Chicago, I think it was. It's got a coin in it somewhere. Oh yes, look, tuppence. And of course it's one of those zip purses, which means it comes undone all the way, round and 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 round, and eventually end up with a zip. All you've got to do is zip it back up again and put the coin back in again. So very tiresome. That's the only one I would actually recommend buying, because I've used that and thoroughly enjoyed it. But goodness me, you have to say it's all coins incidentally. No credit cards.